Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my New Year's Eve makeup tutorial 2022. So I do this every single year on my channel since I've started, and I started about 7 years ago now. And I've done one every single year. I love doing like traditions, so I'll do a Christmas makeup tutorial every year, I'll do a New Year's one every year, Valentine's one, and so on. And the makeup that I'm going to be doing today is makeup that I've actually been wearing to special occasions, special events recently, and I absolutely love it. It's so easy to do, easy and quick to create, and I just think it'd be perfect for New Year's Eve. So yeah, let's just get started. So I'm going to start off by priming my face using the L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying Primer, and I'm using my Real Techniques stippling brush to apply it. Now for foundation, I want full coverage, I want long lasting, I want hydrating but not too dewy on a New Year's Eve, and this gives me all of those things. So this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Foundation, and it's in the shade F1, and I'm going to apply this with my Morphe M439 brush. Now for concealer, I'm using the matching pair to the foundation. So it's the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Concealer in the shade C1. And I'm going to blend that in with my Real Techniques contour brush. Then I'm going to blend that in with my Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. This is the mini travel size version. And I'm going to set my eye area first with the Morphe G35 Brush. And I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Morphe E2 Brush. Now for contouring, I'm going to use the NYX HD Blush in the shade Taupe on my Use Spicy 27 brush. And then for bronzer, I'm using the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Bronzer using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Powder Brush. Then for blusher, I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party. That's how it's spelled, Party. And I'm using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Blush Brush to apply it. And then for highlighter, I'm using the Essence Pure Nude highlighter in the shade 10, Be My Highlight, using my Real Techniques setting brush. Now I'm going to zoom you in to do my eyes. Okay, so I'm using 2 eyeshadow palettes today and a couple of single eyeshadows. So first of all, I'm going into the Colourpop That's Taupe eyeshadow palette. I absolutely love this eyeshadow palette. I take it everywhere with me traveling. It is so versatile. I just love it. So I'm going in with this first shade here at the top on my Morphe R37 through the crease. Okay, now I'm going in with this second shade on the top row on the same brush through the crease again. Now I'm going to use my Sigma E40 Tapered blending brush just to clean up some of the harsh lines. There's no product on this brush, so I'm just blending the edges. Now I'm going in with my Makeup Academy 6 shade palette, Matte Soft Suedes. And I'm going in with this bottom shade here, using my Morphe M412 brush, and I'm going to pop that on the outer corners. Okay, so now I'm going in back with my crease brush with the first two shades mixed together. I'm just going to blend it all together nicely. Now I'm going to go in with all of those same shades that I just used on my Morphe E18 brush, and I'm going to pop them on the lower lash line. So now I'm going to take a mixture of two Colourpop Super Shock shadows. So the first one I'm going to use is the shade How Far I'll Go. It's one of the Disney Princesses collections. And then the next one is the shade Frog. Very similar shades. This one is How Far I'll Go. This one is Frog. So How Far I'll Go is the colour that I want, but Frog just gives me that little bit of extra sparkle. So I'm going to mix the both of them together. I'm going to use my little finger. Now I'm going to set my whole face before I finish up the rest of my eye makeup. So I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Now for my eyebrows, I'm using the Colourpop Brow Boss Gel Clear. And for eyeliner, I'm using my NYX Slide On Glide On Brown Perfection Eyeliner Pencil. And now I'm going to curl my lashes using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers, and I'm going to apply the Colourpop Level Up mascara. And then finally for lipstick, I'm using the NYX Lip Lingerie Gloss in the shade Honeymoon. Okay, so that completes this video. This was my New Year's Eve makeup tutorial 2022. Really easy and quick to do. I love wearing this makeup recently. It is my go-to going out type makeup. It's not all drugstore. There are a few high-end products thrown in there, but you can totally adapt them to become drugstore. But overall, it's a pretty affordable look and I just love it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. I hope you have a wonderful, happy new year. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.